Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try some new kit. I'm going to show you guys some facial kit. Okay, I have a charcoal kit with me right now and I'm going to try this peel off, and it has face wash and face cream as cleanser. So I'm going to cleanse my face first and then I'm going to use this peel off. Alright, and I'm going to wash my face and then face cream. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, cleanse my face with this first. All right. Now it's time for peel off mask. Let's try this. Move this now. Wow. Use this face wash and I'm going to wash my face. I'm really happy with the result. It looks smooth here. Alright, I'm going to wash and I'm going to apply this cream. So when I was washing my face, I could feel how smooth my skin is already. Alright, so this is the finishing touch for this. I'm going to apply this face cream and I'm already really happy with this product. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna buy it again. Okay. This smells like some flower. I think it's jasmine. Yeah, it smells like jasmine. It's not very oily. I like the smell. Oh, wow. It's a thick cream. You can apply it to your hands. Doesn't mean. Alright, so just a slight massage with this cream. Just tap it. Do not rub it too much. Just tap. Okay then. So that's about it, guys. I am really happy with this product. The only thing I was finding difficult was there is no instruction as to how to use this. Okay, there is no instruction given on this. But it is really good. I'm happy with this product, and oh my god, the blackheads, I never knew that I had so many. Okay, and my face really feels smooth and soft right now. Okay, and my husband saw that and even he was happy with it and he wants to use this too. And you guys have a great day. Bye bye.